So let's go to the next page, and this is talking about the anatomy of CSS. Essentially, you have different selectors, is what they call them, and then you have different parameters or declaration, your property and your value that change the visual aspect of that element. So this P would be looking at all tags with the paragraph element, with the tag P, right? And then inside of there is all the styling that would apply to anything with that is a paragraph element. And then you declare each different aspect with a property and value tag, which each different property has different values that they can be, and will do different things. So first, we're going to be learning inline styles. Basically, inline styles only apply to that specific element, but have the same structure as the CSS, the general CSS file. However, we will not be using the tags or the declaration block because the style tag is the declaration block. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see a little bit better. All right. Okay, I need to recognize that my camera's right here, so I don't. All right. So what it's going to do in the index.html of the first paragraph element. So let's find the first paragraph element right here. Okay. So we want to make sure that the styling, the text style is green. So the way we do that is add an attribute. We learned about attributes in HTML. So we're going to say style equals text green, or no, it's color green. Okay. So if I run this, this should change this color to be green. Yay. So each of these properties, they're going to have different names and will do different things. It's sometimes difficult to remember which one's which, and different, well, not frameworks, but there are different packages out there that help you with this. For example, Bootstrap. We'll get into that. Internal styles sheet. So there are these style tags, which will basically be their own language inside of your HTML. So this is going to ask to put an empty style element in the head. So here's the head, style. Okay. This isn't importing a file. This is just having inline style on our HTML. It'll act the same way as files will generally act. However, it's just inside of the HTML written exactly as is. So inside of this tag will be CSS. Outside of the tag will be HTML. So if I run this, it's not going to do anything, but we're going to add a little target for that. So P. Okay, so this will be saying anything where the paragraph element will be doing that to it. But right now, it's going to be empty for now. Okay. So now we're going to take all of this information and put it inside of here. We obviously don't want the style because that's already there. So we're going to get rid of this style tag, and we're just going to take this information and put it inside of there. So what this is going to do is take anything with a paragraph element. So that, maybe those, I don't know. We'll see. Nope, not those. Anything that is a paragraph element will be green now. So these divs will not be, but this paragraph will be. There might be some others. I don't know. I'd have to really look through. Yeah, there's one. So if I run this, we can see that this is green and this is green. Those are the only two elements that have that are a paragraph element. Next, we're going to delete the inline style. Okay, we've already done that. Run. Okay. Yeah, I jumped ahead. Apologies for that. So, next thing is an external style sheet. This is taking some CSS from a different file and we're importing into here. So we're going to probably take the contents of this, put it inside of here. Great. And it's not going to be a style tag anymore. It will be a link tag. Link, whoops, not caps. Link rel equals style sheet. So this is saying, hey, this is a style sheet. We're expecting this to be CSS. Okay. And then we put in src equals style.css. And then we run that. And now we are importing this. And we should have some green elements. This should be green now. I don't know why it's not green. That's... Shut up. I don't care about that. Run. Why isn't that green? That's strange. Whatever. All right. Oh, we already did that. Linking the CSS file. Okay, so it wants us to add the style sheet. I already did that. Oh, it didn't actually render. Link rel equals style sheet. This is stupid that we have to redo this. src equals style.css. Run. Oh, it's href. Whoops, href. There we go. And then we already did that. Okay, so this is saying, hey, this is a style sheet. I'm pretty sure you can also do css/style sheet. Also will do the same thing. Nope. No, it's type. Type equals css/style sheet. And that's also saying, hey, this is recognizing a CSS. There are different ways to do that, but rel equals style sheet, recognizing this is for style, and then it will be importing href of this file. So it's looking at /, meaning the same directory, and looking for style.css, which is right here. And we run that, and now that is green, and that is green, just as before. So now we have imported and used some basics and fundamental CSS by targeting the specific element, by putting the thing in line or on that specific element. We've done it outside of that element using the style tag, and then we imported it using the link from a different file. All right. Then run and same thing. I don't know if there's anything that I want to do here. Alrighty.